let's talk about the mystery sludge that just appeared on top of your sourdough starter. Is it dead? Is it toxic? Nope. That, my friend, that is called hooch. And no, it is not moonshine. So what actually is hooch and who named it? Because the only reference I know about hooch, never mind. Anyways, hooch, the sourdough version, is just your starter's way of saying feed me. The hooch is just fermented alcohol and water that bubbles up when your starter gets hungry. Totally normal. It's the sourdough's version of hangry, because we all know that the starter's pretty much always hungry 24 hours after you feed it. But when it's been 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, it's hangry. So when you don't feed your starter for a while, it starts burning through the food supply, and that's the flour that we feed it. And then once it's eaten all its food, this liquid on top forms. Think of it like a sourdough's polite way of saying, hey, remember me? I need a snack, please? Now, what to do? So many people say to pour off the hooch, and that is a horrible, horrible idea. What you're gonna wanna do is just stir the hooch back into the starter and mix it all together to keep your ratios proper. That hooch is full of flavor and yeast, and it's an important part of your sourdough magic, so never pour it out. Stir it right back in like a champ. And then feed your starter. Take your starter, feed it whatever ratio you do. I like 1-1-1, 1 part starter, 1 part flour, 1 part water. But whatever ratios you do, give it a good feed, make it happy again. When to actually panic. You could have hooch, and then the hooch continues. When it starts getting fuzzy, orange spots, or any kind of mold, or just smells awful, that's the time you need to actually dump it. If it's fuzzy, colorful, looks like an alien growth, it's time to dump it outside. Say goodbye and start again. If your sourdough is just looking like this, you got a thin, almost clear layer of hooch on top, don't worry, stir it, feed it, and you are good to go. And if you need easy pantry meals that don't need a fridge, you already know, loadedpotato.org's got your back. Till next time.